Welcome back to the channel. Imagine cruising through scenic landscapes, stopping wherever you want, and calling it home, all without paying a single cent in rent. The 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper makes that dream a reality. It's not just a camper, it's freedom on three wheels. This futuristic marvel combines sustainability, mobility, and minimalism in a way we've never seen before. It's compact, fully electric, and equipped with everything you need to live off the grid. From urban streets to countryside getaways, it's your home, your ride, and your escape. At the heart of this trike is a powerful electric motor that delivers a smooth, quiet ride with zero emissions. The battery offers a solid range of up to 120 miles on a single charge, more than enough for daily travel or weekend escapes. Plus, solar panels on the roof help extend the range while keeping your devices and appliances charged. The interior may look small from the outside, but step in and you'll be surprised. Smart space utilization gives you a fold-out bed, a mini kitchen with a sink and induction cooker, built-in storage, and even a compact toilet. Every square inch is designed for comfort and efficiency. Worried about tech? Don't be. This trike comes with a touch-screen control panel, Bluetooth connectivity, and GPS navigation. And for safety, there's a rear-view camera, disc brakes, and a reinforced shell to keep you secure on the road. It's not just for nomads and adventurers. This electric tricycle camper is perfect for city dwellers tired of rising rents, digital nomads, retirees, and eco-conscious travelers. Park it in the city, take it into nature, live anywhere, pay nothing in rent. With rising housing costs and growing interest in minimal living, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper is more than a vehicle. It's a movement. You don't need a mansion to live large. All you need is freedom, wheels, and a destination. If you've ever dreamed of simplifying your life, hitting the road, and breaking free from rent forever, this might just be your ticket. The 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper, where the road is your home. Like this review? Hit the like button, subscribe for more innovative vehicle breakdowns, and let us know in the comments. Would you live in one of these?